Hey guys, welcome back to another aircraft. This aircraft I do not know the name of right now, but I will tell you once we get to the front of this aircraft. I'm pretty sure it is a TU-152. I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure. But here are the landing gear. There's some picnic tables underneath it. There's 2 sets of air stairs on this guy. There's the other set of landing gears. And then I will first take you guys to the cockpit section. Yes, it is a Tupolev TU-154, not a 152. So here is the front air stairs. There's the cockpit. It's Czech Airlines, I'm pretty sure. There's the first engine, there's the top engine, and then you cannot see the other side engine yet, but you will. You walk in, there's some damage, there's some wear and tear in here. There's the washrooms, and here is the cockpit. It is a beautiful cockpit. This one does not have ATC talking, but that is okay, it is still a cockpit. Now as we move back, this is the first class bathroom. This is the first class section. This is the little TV room with how they got this aircraft here. There is a glass entrance down below. Here is the galley. And here we have the galley carts. We have the second air stairs. And here we have the economy class, as you would call it, cabin. Here are the tiny baggage overhead bins. There's names for every chair. It smells very old, as you would say, I guess. It has that old smell. Let's put it. Here is the rear bathrooms. It is hard to see in there, but you can see a little bit. There's an axe, fire extinguisher, and other things. That bathroom does not open. And here you can see the right side engine, or left side engine. And if we go over to the left side, or right side, there's the right side engine. Sorry, my lefts and rights are mixed up right now. So here is the big aircraft. As we walk out through the second air stairs, we have obviously the left side engines, or engine, the top engine over there. And we walk underneath to the other side. We have the right side wing. And we have the right side engine. The top engine is always going to be there. And here we are already at the front of the aircraft. Here's the front landing gear. There's inside of it. And here is the cockpit. Hope you guys liked this video. We'll see you again soon. This is the last aircraft in the museum. So we'll see you guys in another video. See ya.